doing since I started my business. This is good stuff here. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Give it a like. Like helps. Likes help YouTube recommend my videos. And, you know, it supports me. So 5 things I've learned not to do since I started my carpet cleaning business. First thing I stopped doing was moving furniture. I don't move furniture. Alright, maybe an end table here and there or something light and it's ridiculously easy. I'm not gonna hurt their furniture or hurt myself. Basically, guys, I don't move furniture because if I move a piece of furniture that costs more than the job itself, or many times more, and I break it, I end up owing them some money and working for free. Also, if I decide I'm going to move some furniture and I end up hurting my back, what happens to my business? Not good. Especially if you're an owner operator, you're just starting out, or and you don't have any employees. You know, you don't want to hurt yourself. Plus, you just don't want to hurt yourself in general. So that's the first thing that I stopped doing since I started my business. Number 2, I never guarantee results. I just don't do it. You know, because you can never guarantee results. So if a customer on the phone asks me to guarantee that they'll be able to get these stains out, I'll tell them over the phone I can't guarantee that. And pretty much you get a feeling for your customers over the phone. But even if you show up to the job site and they say, can you guarantee these will come out? It's usually going to be a price shopper type of customer. I just let them know plain and clearly I can't guarantee any results. You know, you don't know what they've used on these stains themselves. You don't know what it is half the time. And you don't know how long it's been there. You just can't do that. You're setting yourself up for failure. Never guarantee results. And if the customer is stern on that, well, I turn down the job. So I don't think I'm the right company for you. That's it. So that brings me to my third. My third would be I never negotiate my price. I don't, you know. We put a lot of time into pricing our service. That way we can make the money that we feel we need or actually deserve. There's a lot of price shoppers out there, and you're gonna get some people that want to try to talk you down. And I've known through experience, when you do that, most of the time you're kicking yourself in the butt when the job's done. A lot of times if you negotiate your price over the phone, you get there and the carpet is trashed. So it takes you twice as long to do. So you really really not in a good mood at that point, right? You're thinking, wow, I should have never did that. So I don't do that no more. I don't negotiate prices. That's me. That's you. That's you, but that's me. Number 4, never undervalue my service. So don't be scared to raise my prices. If other people are charging what I'd like them, make, why wouldn't I? If I'm offering just as good or better service as them, why wouldn't I? So I would not undervalue my service and charge less than what I feel I'm worth. A lot of us start backwards in the business, really. They start by doing low prices, thinking that their phone's gonna be ringing off the hook and they're gonna make all kinds of money. Well, if your phone may be ringing off the hook, but you're gonna work twice as hard twice as many hours as the next guy people would consider a high-priced carpet cleaner that would be working half the time and probably making more money. So learning how to price is a big deal, and just be secure in my service. So I learned that after I started my company. All right, number 5. The last thing I learned after I started off my business not to do is post my prices. Start off posting my prices. A lot of people do. That's what you want to do. That's all good. Keep on doing it. But I don't do it no more for the simple fact I don't negotiate my prices. So if you put your prices on your website, you go to a house and you say you charge so much a room, but you go to a house and the house is twice the size of a normal size room, you're gonna have to go back and forth with your customer.